Hey there. So, let me ask you something. How much time do you spend cleaning your floors every week? Vacuuming, mopping, picking up pet hair, dusting? It's a never-ending cycle, right? Well, what if I told you there's a way to cut that time down to zero? Yep, zero. And no, I'm not talking about hiring a cleaning service. I'm talking about the BL20 Pro Robot Vacuum Mop, your new best friend for keeping your floors spotless without lifting a finger. Let me show you why this little gadget is a game changer. First off, this isn't just any robot vacuum. It's a 3-in-1 cleaning powerhouse. It sweeps, vacuums, and mops. So whether you've got hardwood floors, carpets, or even pet hair everywhere, this thing has you covered. And here's the kicker. It's got 4,000 PA of suction power. That's strong enough to pick up everything from crumbs to dust bunnies to your dog's never-ending shedding. Seriously, it's like having a mini tornado cleaning your floors. But wait, it gets better. The BL20 Pro comes with a self-emptying dust collection station. You know how most robot vacuums make you empty the dustbin every few days? Not this one. It can hold up to 45 days of dirt and dust before you even need to think about it. That's right, 45 days of hands-free cleaning. Just set it up, let it do its thing, and enjoy your free time. How amazing is that? Now let's talk about brains. This thing is smart. It uses 360-degree LiDAR mapping technology to scan your home and create a super accurate cleaning route. It's like it has a GPS for your floors. And if there are areas you don't want it to go, like your pet's food bowl or a pile of cords, you can set up no-go zones right from the app. Speaking of the app, you can control everything from there. Schedule cleanings, adjust suction power, even choose between vacuuming or mopping. It's like having a personal cleaning assistant in your pocket. And here's something I love. This isn't just a gadget for you. It's a great gift too. Imagine giving your family or friends the gift of time. No more spending hours cleaning. They can just kick back and let the BL20 Pro handle it. Plus, it comes with a 24-month warranty and lifetime technical support, so you know it's built to last. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to endless cleaning and hello to more free time, I highly recommend checking out the BL20 Pro Robot Vacuum Mop. It's efficient, it's smart, and it's seriously life-changing. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can learn more and grab one for yourself. Trust me, your floors and your sanity will thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome product recommendations. See you in the next video.